Morning, Martin Morris, totalbeatbroke.com. If I said now, I'd already be on my commute from Yucca Valley. I'd be leaving about 4 in the morning, 4:30. It's all dark outside. Garage making everybody up. Subscribe. Martin Morris, totalbeatbroke.com, totalbeatbroke.com. Grant Cardone quote of the day says sometimes, hey, work on your own quote. Subscribe. Got to take a trip to Apple Valley. Then I'm going to come back. Ni hao, Espanol, Grant Cardone's Closer Survival Guide. I do to get sales. That's what I want you guys to think about. What can you do to bring in more money? Because I'm telling you, these AI layoffs are going to get worse. Anything that's related or indirectly related could also be impacted. That's why I say subscribe. Martin Morris, totalbeatbroke.com. Make sure you're reading those closes I give you from Grant Cardone, man. They work, man. You got to learn how to help people say yes. So subscribe. And then I'll give you some special topics and special seminars that I'm going to start giving. But subscribe.